Hello, welcome to Successful Trading. In this episode, we are going to show you a simple option strategy that we didn't take today as we are supposed to do. Yet, we managed to make 100% trading this option in less than 20 minutes. Without any further ado, let us go ahead and dive in. All right, folks. Okay, well, today is Thursday, November the 29th. The market's currently closed, and I wanted to make a quick video on here because we have been trying to teach you, the viewers, about some of these option trading strategy that are proven, that are all over the place, especially in earnings season. Stay tuned toward the end because I'm going to show you how to look for them. Yeah, so the review of this trade in this episode of option trading for beginners is for me to show you that Caterpillar today presented an opportunity here for us to make money, but we didn't take that trade as we usually do, and I will show you the ramification of that. The trade that we took, it was a day trading Caterpillar. Very late, actually not very late into the session, but very late into the move. I'm going to show you the replay of today's video, of today's chart for Caterpillar that sits here on TradingView. So for that, I just have to click on here and pick up my speed update every 2 seconds. So maybe update every 3 seconds or 5 seconds on here. All right, every 5 seconds we will have one candle of 15 minutes. So let's go ahead and take a look at how that's went, and then I will break it down, my entry and the results, before we go into actually the essence of this trade. All right, so let's go. First candle on here will be coming on here after 5 seconds. The first candle goes from 235 to 228. So in 15 minutes time, that's Caterpillar lost $7. That's pretty much set it up for the downgrade. Now it's below VWAP, posting lower lows. That sentence by itself, below VWAP, posting lower lows, if you are an option trading beginner, you will be hearing it a lot on here. So then Caterpillar proceeded, let's move this, to put in a low of the day after exactly 1 hour. That low of the day was at 223.22, and the rest of the day it was pretty much kind of sideways. So let's wait for this video to the chart to finish out. Where is it right now? It's showing us here. The time here at Pacific time. So we have maybe a long way to go on here. But really, it's the whole idea on here is to trade a trend. Yeah, and I'm going to show you that this specifically this type of trend that Caterpillar displayed on here, we see a lot of it. So meaning that in terms of having option trading strategy, there is really this simple one that consists of following the trend, and the indicator for that is not that it is not one of those complicated multiple indicators. No, it's a very simple indicator. It's called VWAP. For us, as the video is going on there, if you go to the content on our Successful Trading channel, I believe I can find it here. Let me see. VWAP is this case. Okay, how to trade a bearish setup using VWAP. June 29, 2020. So this video, let's go to that. I don't want to edit it, but this video, yeah, this is that video that will enable you to trade it. So let's come back here to Caterpillar. Is it done? It doesn't matter really. It has one candle left on here, 12:30, 12:15. So it's done. But what we could do is to go on a 5-minute interval. Yeah. Let's ask this thing to replay this 5-minute interval. Today was the 29th. It had earnings, so it gapped slightly from yesterday. So if I go and say, okay, 5-minute interval, and I'm going to really make the speed fast, we want one update every half a second, or maybe every 1 second. Then can we replay this? Let's pick up here and let's replay this. So now one candle, 5-minute candle every 1 second. So just let's look at it here. Okay, so maybe I could stop. After the first 5 minutes, look at this, how hard this is. This is a move that, okay, some trader will say, oh, that means that I need to trade 1 minute interval. No, you don't. We actually have a strategy on here against a trade where you could have had the whole thing on this one. So to really show you, well, let's show our trade first. Let's show our trade. So for us, let's play this. The one that we traded, which was just a portion of it. So could I stop this here? So let me bring then our trade. So this is our trade, yeah. So 10 Eastern, 10:18 Eastern, we enter into Caterpillar 222.50 puts for 72 cents. Now, if you're wondering, oh, how do I pick a strike price? We take care of that here. So if this thing will wants to help, so you again go back to successful trading. And let's say strike, you just look for the word strike. Here we go. Here's the video. A lot of traders are asking for this for us. This video was created I'm sure last year as well. Yeah, so please get on to and the analytics on it. So how to quickly pick an option strike price. So we will teach you that. I mean, we will teach you this entire strategy. The goal here for me is to show that, hey, we didn't trade this from the get-go as we usually trade. This is a trade that we are to be taking in pre-market, but we didn't today. Well, it just happened that Caterpillar earning wasn't on our radar. We were focusing on Facebook mostly. But once I found this trend. So what's the entry? My entry on here, 10:18. So that will mean on my chart on here that will be 7:18 thereabouts. Yeah, 7:18, meaning it's not even there yet. It's not even there yet. Let's go maybe a couple of more candles on here. So 7:18. So this is the 7 o'clock Pacific time. So the next candle is when actually I'm going to enter the trade. So by then, my friend, look at this. This is a nice trend already. Below VWAP posting lower lows, meaning that in terms of perfect entry, if you are really looking for this candle would have been your entry. So can we tap that there? So let's say perfect. Well, not so. I mean, entry, perfect entry. But I mean, for us, the perfect entry, we know it, and I will show you. So this would have been an entry there. But for me, I caught this late. The next candle is the one where I'm going to get that. Okay, so this is the candle where the next one, 7:18, is still not it. So let's this thing go. Give us another candle. Here we go. 7:18. So this candle here, yeah. This one here. This candle here was my entry here. That's late, folks. Yeah, that's late. The trend is really nice trend in. So meaning after 45 minutes, I enter the trade, but yet still manage 100% onto it. Let me show you the chart of the option. Yeah. So let's go side by side on here as we like to do. So this is the chart of the 222.5 puts. My friend, I want to bring you, oh, fantastic. So we can say, oh my goodness, this guy, yeah, he made 100% in less than 20 minutes. Yeah. How do we know it's less than 20 minutes? Let's go back again to 10:18 to 10:37. There, less than 20 minutes from 72 cents to $1.55. Fantastic. But, my friend, there was bigger things that we could have done on here with our proven strategy, the gangster trade. Let me show you something. This option, you could have gotten the 222.5. This is the beginning of the day here, meaning when the stock is here. 6:30 Pacific time. This is 9:30 Eastern. You could have gotten this contract for 5 cents. And they went as high as $1.68. So I closed my position at $1.55. So not because I wanted an example to showcase the trend with this indicator, the VWAP, how easy it is to get into this trade, especially for option trading beginners. But there was a bigger opportunity here to use what we call our gangster strategy. We will teach you about it if you decide to ever become serious about taking your trading to the next level. So this is the type of strategy. This is a strategy that bring 10 baggers you've heard of, because 5 cents, from 5 cents going all the way to 50 cents, that's 10 baggers. Yeah. but now this one went 3 times that. So this is a 30 bagger trade here, folks. That took, because this is 15-minute interval, so 4 candles is 1 hour. That took an hour. That would have taken you an hour and 15 minutes to make 30 times, which that's you put in. Well, is that something that you will be interested in? If you are, let me show you that this is not just one of those random things, right? That it just happened today. It happens pretty much. It happens a lot. It happens a lot, and we will teach you how to identify them. How about yesterday? Our good friend AMD yesterday. Do you notice any similarities? Look at this chart on here. Below VWAP, posting lower lows. Yeah, and if I know what you're saying, oh, if you are reluctant to trade puts or you're afraid of trading puts, trust me, we will remove that out of your mind, because I'm going to show you. I think we have an example of actually another trade. That one was on the call side, and was it yesterday as well. So let me bring the chart of. So let's put AMD on here side by side. On the right hand side, the chart of the stock. And then the option that this one we traded it yesterday. If you were in our pre-market show, or if you missed that, it's every single weekday at 8:50 Eastern time. So join us on this very channel. So yesterday, folks, this is it here, right? This is the chart of the stock yesterday. It was April the 28th, 6:30 Pacific time. That's 9:30 Eastern. So for me to see that on here, I have to come here on the chart of the option, the 80 puts. You could have gotten in for 3 cents. A great deal of our traders, I think if they followed our live trading session, we enter that trade live before the market opened. That's part of our gangster strategy, where that's why I was telling you that what you saw on Caterpillar, instead of actually waiting for the trend, we know how to get those opportunities. Yeah, this one went from 3 cents to 35 cents in less than let's say 11:15 on the Eastern time. That's 8:15. So in less than 2 hours, just to make a 10 bagger on AMD yesterday. So AMD yesterday 10 bagger. This one today Caterpillar will have been a 30 bagger. For us, we manage an easy just. Yeah, so remember that sentence when you say just 100%. No. For some skeptical there, or if you're not into trading puts, how about UPS? I'm running out of time to bring the chart, but UPS, may I suggest to you that we traded the 205. Let's put in the 15 minutes. That's where we have less candles on here. So the 205 calls yesterday. Oh no, the day before yesterday. That's the 27th. Things fly by here. So this is after the gap on earnings. The 205 calls, my friend, they went from less than 15 cents all the way to $1. So these are the type of trade, and here it will have been through the gangster strategy that we're showcasing. So in summary, we showed you option trading strategy here that will get you profits, consistent profit, if you will. So consider watching the very next video, because this one is on an instrument that a lot of people want to trade. So the next video after this video on here, it's going to show you a strategy that we use 3 times a week on SPY, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. All you have to do is apply that or come to us such that we can take you step by step into mastering this winning option strategy. Until then, have a great day, have a great evening, have a great afternoon, wherever you're watching from. Bye-bye.